I don't know that I could say I'm going to do this after a hearing because she is highly inebriated. She's a .224. Court recalls the case of New Parker Apartments versus Tubbs.
You say for the plaintiff, Your Honor, our decision to wait for Ms. Tubbs.
Right off the bat, the judge sounds uneasy about even starting this hearing. That's a huge red flag in any courtroom. When a judge doubts the process before it begins, you can bet something wild is about to happen, and spoiler, it does.
She's here.
State your name.
Sherry Tubbs.
Okay. Where are we on this case? And then I have a question.
There.
Goodness. I usually don't bring
This
my
is the
phone.
worst thing that happens today.
I know, I never do that. I'm sorry. I never have my phone.
The sex offender registry still shows Mr. Gardner is living there. There's I found in there somewhere where it looks like there was some check made on 8/27 of 25, so in August of this year. I don't know what it means. I'm not saying that that means they confirmed it, but there's a date in August of 25 in the sex offender registry records. And I did a Lexus person search, and apparently his driver's license is at her address still. She acknowledges that it has not been changed. I given Officer Allen a default judgment. I think it could now be after hearing, and she says she wants to try to get this done. And so if the court gives her more than the 10 days.
Yes, because he had went to the post office and changed all his mail, which last time I was here, I didn't know.
Miss Tubbs, before you go on, have you been drinking?
Yes, I have a couple of.
Here's the turning point. Miss Tubbs is asked if she's been drinking. Imagine standing in court fighting for your home and having to admit you've been drinking that same morning. Would you tell the truth or try to dodge the question?
Beers, yes.
How much did you have?
I drink beer.
Okay, so how many beers did you have?
18 ounce or 24 ounce, yes. I would tell
Yeah,
you.
that's the nice thing about the 24 ounce. You can say I only had 2 or 3 beers.
So this morning, can you get Teresa down here with the PPT, please?
I will say like 2 or 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning, because that's what
2 or 3 o'clock in the morning you started drinking?
that's what time I usually get up and drink milk here.
Okay, so how many did you have this morning?
A beer.
Just one? One what, 24 ounce?
24. I will acknowledge that, yes.
So that's like 2, but what kind,
I
what?
don't know how much come into 24 ounce.
24 ounces.
When she proudly names Bud Light as her drink of choice, the whole courtroom cracks a smile. But here's the problem. Alcohol might feel funny in the moment, but in court it destroys credibility. The judge can't take her testimony seriously anymore.
So, what kind?
Bud Light.
Oh, of course. Bud Light. Why did I
Yeah,
ask?
I drink Bud Light. I used to drink Miller High Life, but I drink Bud Light. I used to drink a lot of liquor, but Bud Light. Why would you ask me that?
Because I've got to determine whether or not you can adequately do this hearing. Mr. Allen,
Your Honor.
Mr. Allen, I'm going to give you a PBT.
What is that?
Okay. That's a preliminary breath test.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
So here's what's going to happen. You're going to go back with Mr. Allen, and there's going to be a PBT. You just need to blow into the machine, and then we're going to see. Okay. Thank you, Miss Tubbs. Watch your step. Okay. Bye bye. I know. Glad that's what came out of her mouth. All right. You know, There are times in life where I'm just afraid to call another case. Just kind of take a pause and you just hope.
The judge jokes about asking for breakfast, but underneath the humor is real frustration. Court isn't supposed to feel like open mic night. When a case turns into a comedy, routine the stakes like keeping your apartment get lost in a mess.
Hey.
Are they?
They're doing what they do.
Okay.
Some people wake up in a number that would send other people to bed.
I know. You know, I was just gonna ask for breakfast, really? I don't think. Off the record? No, I'm gonna say what I gotta say. Because
Who's getting that tacoon?
I'm not really sure, but I'm afraid to go back and look. Is Mr. Lloyd, is yours simple? Where'd Lacey go?
Very fast.
That's what Magnus said. And then no. No, I'm kidding. Corey Goff.
We heard you.
Oh, holy. Hold on a second. Miss. Okay, Miss Tubbs. Okay.
Yeah, I already know. I was drinking last night too.
Yeah.
I already know what it was gonna be, Miss, Stump.
Uh-huh. Okay, so let me first ask you this, and then I'll try to see what we're going to do with your case.
Quick legal insight when the judge says she's at 0.22 Ford hats, her blood alcohol content, for context the legal driving limit, is 0.08. She's nearly 3 times over at that level. It's basically impossible to handle your own case properly.
How'd you get here?
I got dropped off by my sister.
You didn't drive.
No, I don't drive.
That's probably a good
I
thing.
don't have a license, so I don't drive. I know how to
That
drive.
doesn't stop everybody.
And I'm
But
getting on the bus when I.
okay, so Mr. Pink, I don't know that I could say I'm going to do this after a hearing because she is highly inebriated. She's a 0.224.
It means you are seriously.
That's probably about 3 sheets to the wind. Never mind. You don't know what, off of one beer? No, you had more than one.
Okay, I play the drinking game too, so that part is. Oh man, did I say that? I'm sorry. I do play the drinking game.
But that wasn't beer, right?
That was,
You were just talking about beer before.
yeah, I did
You
have
were lying.
a beer at 3 o'clock or something in the morning, but I did play the drinking game the night before.
So,
You told the truth. And
And
nothing
then,
but
not
the
the
truth,
truth,
but
but
not
I
some
didn't tell
of
the
the truth.
truth, whole truth. Joe Simpson, I didn't tell the whole truth, because I played the drinking game of life. I played the drinking game.
Your Honor, the efficient thing to do would be to come back on Friday with a regular landlord tenant docket.
yes, it
But
would.
the kind thing to do would be to maybe come back the next Friday so she can have one more shot at trying to get him to the state police and get his ass.
No, but the state police is way out in, right now, have
You
transportation.
don't have to go there. Willie Gardner's got to take care of this. Well, you're gonna get put out. And everybody's-
Oh, he had to,
Everybody's trying to say, they're trying to say,
I'm just
you need to
walking
get on the team with us.
oh,
So how about
come on, Mr. Simpson.
26, Your Honor?
Come on, what?
Judge Simpson, I do not need to be paid. I ain't had a permit in 15 years and I finally got my own permit. I know this was a sex offender or none of that stuff.
Okay, so
But when I come back, I'm gonna be
Just
here.
on the regular docket
On
on
the-
26.
on the 26th. Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do. All right, I'm going to adjourn this, and it's gonna go back to basically a pre-trial for September 26th, 2025 at 3 p.m. That's in the afternoon.
Oh, yeah.
Okay,
So
so
I'm gonna drink at 3 a.m. I'm just playing. I'm just playing.
okay, I just Miss Tubbs, Miss
I appreciate you, Judge. I really do.
Miss Tubbs.
Since I can't be picked up on first.
I know, but Miss Tubbs, here's okay. I'm giving you basically 10 days.
Finally, the judge lays it out, show up sober next time. This is her last chance. And here's a question for you. Do you think she'll actually follow through, or are we about to see a repeat performance on the 26th? Drop your prediction below.
To sober up
Oh,
and get that.
I'm today. I'm not drinking no more today. I promise. I ain't gonna drink no more till the 27th. I'm just saying. I just try to keep our apartment.
I know. So I'm not.
I got 32 grandkids. And
Okay.
they never come to my apartment.
Okay, I'm not gonna get into that. All I need.
Say 32.
31 grandkids, 10 kids, 31 grandkids.
31.
31 grandkids, 10 kids, 5 boys, 5 girls. And they love coming to my apartment. Just they don't live with me, but they just like to come and play.
Okay, so here's the deal. I'm gonna adjourn it out to the 26th at 3. Next time you walk into my courtroom, you need to be sober.
Promise. I got a Bible in my purse.
No. Let's not do that. All right.
Bible in my purse. Look him up. Thank you, Judge.
Yep. You take care.
I am.
Okay.
Thank
You
you so much.
go ahead. You just be safe out there. Okay.
I'm gonna get on the bus. I did it right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, no, we're not. No, we're not laughing at you.
Thank you.
Yes. How much you want to bet it's the wrong bus?
Any excuse?
Yes. Thank you, Mr. Fink. You know, I'm going to keep calling cases because it can't get any worse. Field Properties versus Jason Mitchell.